Alright, SD Trains here. I just woke up, and so, see what's going on. Oh, there's a, I-12060, that's a little weird. Alright. What the heck? Oh my god! The fire alarm is going off. Wow. Alright, welcome to the first SDTR Alarms full house system test. So, we're gonna walk test it here. We're gonna walk test. You got the
I do not.
Yeah, all right. We'll end with that one. So let's just, you know what? Let's just start right here.
All right, pull it. Pull it.
I know. Let me put the key in it first.
That's the wrong. No, it's not.
All right, it works.
I'm gonna do the next station. All right, here, you ready?
Yep.
All right, here's this.
Yeah, see if you have the right connection. All right. Come on. We'll talk about that I tried to put the key in the wrong way.
Alright, time to go to the basement.
And then we gotta do the BG10. BG10 takes so long. There we go.
Alright, you can do 278 because I have the key with me. Ah, look at the cat.
I got the Cat 4.5 right here. So we got an HS in here. Just like in the last system test. So I'll just...
Alright, you ready for full alarm?
No, we gotta walk...
We pretty much hit everything. Screw the BG10.
BG10... What? No. Let's activate it by... I gotta take a sip of...
Waterloo.
Here, let's go.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you do it. I'm not resetting that thing.
That thing was a nightmare.
Yeah. The UMHCMCS is above it.
Should we see this? Time for full alarm.
What do you want to activate full alarm with?
Alright, I will hit full alarm with...
Let's just hit the 2099.
No, I did that for the first one.
Just do it again.
Go for it.
Whoops. Mishap. right, that's it. All right, we're doing residential versus commercial. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's gonna work. Oh, it worked.
It does. All right. Well, that was interesting.
To say the least. The Kopic's still going off.
The Copics are-
Kopic's go off forever. All right, buddy.